माननीय सदस्यगण, इस बिल पर बहस के लिए सिर्फ 17 मिनट बाकी थे। हम उस समय को काफ़ी पहले क्रॉस कर चुके हैं। कुछ और वक्ता है, मैं उनको इनवाइट करूंगा, स्वतः वो अपने समय का संयम इसका ध्यान रखें। श्री विजयसाई रेड्डी।
Sir, I, on behalf of my party, would like to support this bill. If at all the House decides that the bill should be sent to the Select Committee, we have absolutely no objection for that. Sir, if it is not sent to the Select Committee, then I prefer to speak on this subject. I first of all thank the Honorable Minister for bringing this much needed bill for the welfare of the transgender community, which will reduce the discrimination being faced by them. Sir, the transgenders, they are not born as a transgenders by their option. It is by virtue of the gods, or because of because they are born as a transgenders. They can't be isolated or discriminated because both first genders and second genders humiliate them and discriminate them, and this bill rightly confers the rights on them, which will eradicate the discrimination. Sir, in fact, I take this opportunity to acknowledge the efforts put by my colleague, Sri Tiruchi Siva, who has introduced in 2004 the bill to guarantee and provide welfare measures for the transgender persons, and he has set the ball rolling in this regard. Sir, this bill addresses the main reason of discontent of transgender community, which is under severe discrimination. The bill only prohibits the discrimination, but also not only prohibits the discrimination, but also prohibits the unfair treatment or denial of service in relation, sir. Sir, the bill provides the basic benefits, and the benefits related to the employment, health, education, etc. will finally be statutorily be guaranteed to them. This was much needed, sir. Sir, in this regard, I have two suggestions to be made to the Honorable Minister. I hope Honorable Minister will positively consider, sir. Section 4, subsection 2, that is clause 4, subclause 2, talks about the self-perceived gender identity. What is the self-perceived gender identity? If a person is given an opportunity to decide its own, her own transgender, probably that will lead to some sort of confusion and misuse of the self-certification, sir. If self-determination of one's gender identity were to be self-criterion to receive the benefits, it could be misused by others to claim such benefits. I therefore request the Minister to take cognizance of this suggestion, sir. Sir, the second suggestion what I would like to make in this regard, the person would be recognized as a transgender on the basis of certificate of identity issued by the district magistrate. Such certificate will proof of identity as transgender and confer the rights under the bill, sir. The bill also states that the person who is recognized as a transgender shall have the right to self-perceived gender identity. Given that there is a requirement of certificate of identity under this bill, it is unclear whether the term self-perceived gender identity entails as how it will be enforced by the law enforcing authorities. Sir, with this, I conclude that the bill, we support this bill, and this bill has to be passed in the interest of, to consider and vote the bill in favor of the bill on humanitarian considerations, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shri Vijaysai Reddy.